Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the video useful, please subscribe to the channel. In this video, we'll solve this problem based on the concepts of hyperbola. As per the problem, write an equation for the graph shown. This graph represents a hyperbola because it is made up of two curves. The upper curve opens in the upward direction, the bottom curve opens in the downward direction. So this is a hyperbola. For this hyperbola, we are given the foci points. For the upper curve, the focus is 0, 3. For the lower curve, the focus is 0, -3. For this hyperbola, we are also given the equations of the directrices. For the upper curve, the equation of the directrix is y equals 5/3, and for the lower curve, the equation of the directrix is y equals -5/3. In this hyperbola, the curves are opening in the upward and downward directions. So the general equation of this hyperbola is y minus k square over a square minus x minus h square over b square equals 1. For this hyperbola, the center is h, k. To find the equation of this hyperbola, we need to find the values of h, k, a square and b square. We can find the center of this hyperbola from the given foci points. The center of this hyperbola is the midpoint of the line segment that joins the foci points. We can use the midpoint formula to find the center. The midpoint formula is m equals x1 plus x2 over 2 and y1 plus y2 over 2. The given foci points are 0, 3 and 0, -3. We can label one of these points as x1, y1 and the other one as x2, y2. We can use these values in the midpoint formula. So 0 plus 0 over 2 and 3 plus -3 over 2. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0 and 0 divided by 2 is 0. 3 plus -3 is equal to 0. 0 divided by 2 is 0. So the midpoint is 0, 0 or the origin. That means the center of this hyperbola is 0, 0. So h is equal to 0 and k is equal to 0. We can sub in these h and k values in the general equation. We get y minus 0 square over a square minus x minus 0 square over b square equals 1. We can simplify this equation. Y minus 0 is y, so we get y squared over a square minus x squared over b square equals 1. Now we have to find the values of a square and b square. For that, we should analyze the given foci points. For a hyperbola in which the curves open in the upward and downward directions, the foci points can be defined as h, k plus minus a times e, where e is the eccentricity of the hyperbola. Since h is equal to 0 and k is equal to 0, the general formula for foci becomes 0, 0 plus minus a times e or 0, plus minus a times e. The given foci points are 0, 3 and 0, -3. That means a times e is equal to 3. This is an important concept we need to understand and memorize. For a hyperbola in which the curves open in the upward and downward directions, the equations of the directrices is y equals k plus minus a over e. Since the value of k is 0, this equation becomes 0 plus minus a over e, or just plus minus a over e. Since the given equation of the directrices is y equals 5 over 3 and y equals negative 5 over 3, that means a over e is equal to 5 over 3. So we have two equations with a and e. The first equation is a times e equals 3, and the second equation is a over e equals 5 over 3. We can use these two equations to find the value of a. We can simplify the equation a over e equals 5 over 3 by cross multiplying e to the right side. We get a equals 5 over 3 e. Now we can sub in this expression for a in the equation a times e equals 3. So we get 5 over 3e times e is equal to 3. 5 over 3e square equals 3. Now we can just move here. We can cross multiply 3 to the right side of the equation. We get 5e square equals 9. Now we can divide both sides by 5. The 5's on the left side cancel each other out. Next we can apply square root to both sides. So e equals 3 over square root 5 because square root of 9 is equal to 3. Now we can use this value of e to find the value of a. So we'll use this equation. So we get a equals 5 over 3 times 3 over square root 5. Now we can multiply the fractions. We get 15 over 3 square root 5. We can reduce 3 and 15. So a equals 5 over square root 5, which can be reduced to just square root 5. So a equals square root 5. To find a square, we should apply square to both sides. So a square is equal to 5. Now we have to find the value of b square. For that, we should use the equation a square plus b square equals c square. In this equation, c represents the distance between the center of the hyperbola and either of the two foci points. The center of the hyperbola is at the origin, 0, 0, and the distance of the center from either of the two given foci points is 3. So c is equal to 3. We can sub in the values of a square and c in this equation to find b square. A square is 5, c is 3, we can subtract 5 from both sides. I get b square equals 4. So we can use the value of a square and b square to write the equation of this hyperbola. The equation is y square over 5 minus x square over 4 equals 1. This should be the final answer for this problem. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to solve a problem like this one. I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.